Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin E with aloe vera gel. This powerful combination offers fantastic benefits for your skin. Vitamin E acts as a strong antioxidant, protecting your skin from damage, while aloe vera gel provides soothing hydration. Together, they can help improve skin texture, reduce the appearance of blemishes, and promote a healthy, radiant complexion. It's a simple yet effective way to nourish your skin naturally. To prepare your skin-loving blend, you'll need just a few items. Take one vitamin E capsule and carefully puncture it with a clean pin. Squeeze all the oil from the capsule into a small, clean bowl. Then, add 2 tablespoons of pure aloe vera gel to the bowl. Stir these 2 ingredients together thoroughly until you have a smooth, consistent mixture. This ensures an even application and maximum benefits. Now that your mixture is ready, let's talk about application. First, make sure your skin is clean and dry. Gently apply a thin, even layer of the vitamin E and aloe vera blend to your face or any other desired area. Using your fingertips, massage the mixture into your skin with soft, circular motions. Allow it to absorb for at least 15 minutes before rinsing, or leave it on overnight for deeper nourishment. For optimal results, incorporate this treatment into your routine 2 to 3 times each week. If you have any leftover mixture, transfer it to a small, airtight container. It's best to store this in the refrigerator to keep it fresh and potent. Remember to discard any unused portion after 1 week to ensure you're always using a fresh and effective product. Enjoy your glowing skin.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.